It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
I see you.
Oh,
I see you.
didn't need it anyway.
Oh, you
My
see me.
peanuts are gone.
You see me.
And
I saw you. I saw you following
asked her to come.
with hair in my
Get a
mouth.
closer look. Do you see her over there? She's... Come here. She's always coming. Always coming here. So what I was going to show you is actually this amazing... It's honestly, it's for the best that the towel shrunk, because what I can do is I was going to have... These are just my things. Someone already made this for me.
Who do you think made it?
A dog. I have a couple dog friends who come here. I don't trust them. So what you do is you plant them in the ground, like we're about to do. And as soon as they grow, they start to tell the truth. And everyone is always lying, you know. I said I'll pay no attention. That's what I said in my head. It's like I could start to smell embers. So the next stop I thought I could move cars, and so I did. But so he did too. I can't be saying that because I'm not crazy. I know it's probably just someone who looks like it. Anyway, I think he's here now, and so I've got to go. Number 1. It's not big enough. Okay. Number 2. This is a seahorse. And, well, I don't have any parents, but if I had a dad, he would give it to me. You have to clearly mark where each thing is buried. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so then the tools. The tools are for building and not for destroying. Never for destroying. You remember eating this, right? I know.
I do.
I know. I'm not perfect. You think that sometimes, I think, right?
I don't know, dear.
I can tell that she's lying to me. She's giving me this really crazy look, and I don't trust her anymore. I don't think she's very good for me. I was gonna bury these. I see these ones are full, and these ones were sent to me in the mail, and they said they're mine, but I have no recollection of that. I still have all my teeth. I know that. Come on! Come down here! I've heard that with shells like these, they only come to the surface at every, I don't know, 100, 200.
Can you hear the ocean?
I hear it, but I think it's weird. It's coming just from behind me, not from the left. This one is dirty, and I don't like that. Yeah, it's less hot today. Woo! Did you see how I caught that? We can bury them now. Here. 1, 2, 3. Fuck. It's not enough water. 4. I'll be right back. And I don't remember there being 5. 5. Okay. It's really cold today, right? That was supposed to happen. I know that was supposed to happen. The seagull's going to eat my teeth. Did they find my teeth? They didn't find it. I still have my teeth. Oh, they're still warm too. I'll put them back where they came from. I'll put them right back where they came from. Oh, I can't believe it. Can hardly believe it. That my teeth are full of sand. What did I bury here? What did I bury there? Where's my earring? Where did it go? Had a seahorse on it and I put it in the snow. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I asked her to come get a closer look. Do you see how beautiful it is? They think they're excavating and they're searching for gold, but they're looking in the wrong places. They have the same, it's looking, scrolling. They have the same objective as that one. They have the same objective, but the seagull has the eagle eye. The eagle eye. This is a sign. Can you read it? Can you read it? Can you see it? I am a sign. I am a real number. Shh. Shh. I am a real number. I am a scalar. They're a scalar. They scale the sky. I am all scales. I'm made of scales. All magnitude and no direction. That's the seagull scalar. They're looking for gold. All bark and no bite. That's the seagull. I'm the sign. I am this sign. I saw you. I see you. I see you. Do you see me? Do you see me? Because I saw you. I saw you following me. I have hair in my mouth. I have to clean up in a second. Okay, Google. Status report. Well, you spilled sand all over the fucking place. Men move so easily. Things are not looking so hot. This one is terrible. It's despicable. First things first, I'm not your daughter, okay? That's all. I just want to get that straight. I just want to make sure that you Understand.
Don't look at me like that.
Do you understand?
Don't look at me like that.
That I'm not.
I hate when you look at me like that. Don't look at me like that.
Okay. I'm not your daughter. This is all mine, though.
I hate it when she talks to me that way.
Well, she's not my mother. No.
Never ask me how old I am.
No.
It's somewhere between 20 and 25. But I'm not your fucking daughter, so don't ask me, okay? I just want to get that straight.
For you.
And I'll sing it, but I have to be close to the water. I have to be a little bit closer than I am now, for sure. Because of the harmonics. I'll start. When you're feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them all. I'm on your side.
Ow. Fuck.
This thing is not my size. It's not my size.
It wasn't made for me. It wasn't made for me. It's not my size anymore. I've grown too big for it. It's not my size. It's okay. That's alright. It's alright. It's not my size anymore. I don't need it to be. It's fine by me. It's fine by me. It's not my size anymore. I can just take it off. I can just take it off. Ugh. It's not even my size anymore. It's not my size. So long.
Fuck! I need that though.
Oh,
Where did it go?
I won't do that part right now. I have to practice it more. It's not even my size. This is not even my size either. It's not. It's too big. I've grown too big. It's too big. Oh, she's such a bitch. She knows that. She knows that. I'm just saying. Anyway.
And what?
It got cold.